This is ERi-TV, dear viewers. Welcome to English News Broadcast with me, Bersabe Tagle. These are the major headlines for today. Governor of Southern Red Sea region inspects developmental activities. Ministry of Education distributes educational materials to students. Demonstration held against the presence of French army in Niger. And Azerbaijan condemns Pelosi's unfair comments. On your local news, the governor of Southern Red Sea region, Ambassador Mohammed Said Mentai, conducted tour of inspection of developmental programs undertaken by residents in Mebra and Afambo districts of Central Dankalia subzone on September 17. The governor was briefed by experts in the field on progresses made in farming activities that are currently supported by tractors and diversion canals in Mabra Administrative District. Citing the importance of the projects, Ambassador Mohammed Said Mentai called on residents for increased integration and diligence in order to ensure the successful completion of the projects at hand. The governor also called on the public's participation in removing silt from dams, which will directly support the improvement of the livelihoods of the various inhabitants of Afambo area. Furthermore, Ambassador Mohammed Said Mentai visited Afambo Plant Nursery to inspect the progress of the tree seedlings prepared for the greening program in this subzone. Proceeding with the local news, the Ministry of Education is distributing educational materials at an affordable price for students throughout the schools in the country. This kind of support has been going on by the Ministry of Education for the past 16 years, according to reports. Mr. Gabrahannes Hagos, Director General of Administration and Finance at the Ministry of Education, said that the prices of the materials distributed are 30 to 70% less from the actual market prices. Mr. Gabrahannes Hagos indicated that the distribution of the educational materials has already been finalized in Gashbarka and the Northern Red Sea regions, while preparations are being made for the distribution in Central region by the end of next week. 90% of the current supplies has already arrived in the country, and the rest is expected to arrive shortly, Mr. Gabrahannes added. Noting that the support is designed to relieve families from making extra expenses on their children in the upcoming academic year, Mr. Gabrahannes said that punitive actions will be taken against those who are found profiting from the sale of the school materials. That was all with the domestic news, dear viewers. Do stay with us for the international reports after the short break. Welcome back. According to reports, several hundred people demonstrated peacefully in the streets of the Nigerian capital Niamey to protest against the French anti-jihadist force Barkhane while praising Russia. With cries of Barkhane out, down with France, long live Putin and Russia, the demonstrators went through some streets of the capital before holding a meeting in front of the headquarters of the National Assembly. Some demonstrators carried Russian flags and held up signs hostile to France and Barkhane. The country has for years been home to several foreign military bases, including French and U.S. bases, dedicated to the fight against jihadist groups linked to Al-Qaeda and the Islamic State group in the Sahel in the west and Boko Haram and the Islamic State group in the West Africa in the southeast. On today's last report, Azerbaijan condemned U.S. Housekeeper Nancy Pelosi for saying that Baku has started a border conflict with Armenia during her visit to Yerevan. Pelosi's remarks that Azerbaijan had conducted an illegal assault on Armenia's sovereignty was unsubstantiated and unfair and dealt a serious blow to peace efforts, said Azerbaijan's foreign ministry in a statement. The statement also added that Pelosi is a known pro-Armenian politician. Azerbaijan repeated its position that the recent fighting was the result of a large-scale military provocation by Armenia, a narrative rejected by Yerevan. Baku and Yerevan have accused each other of initiating the border clashes on Tuesday, which claimed the lives of more than 200 people. And attempts by Russia to broker a truce had failed. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Governor of Southern Red Sea region inspects developmental activities. Ministry of Education distributes educational materials to students. Demonstration held against presence of French army in Niger. And Azerbaijan condemns Pelosi's unfair comments. Dear viewers, that was all for today. Thanks for watching and have a good one.